Meow. So this is just a basic sitting cat paw drawing. So we're just focusing on the paws here and getting those shapes in just as round paws. We'll refine them in a minute here. Just want to get the idea of the gesture right now. Suggestion of a bit of hair there. And this is just kind of a roughed in sketch, and it's a sketch that can be a preliminary drawing. These sketches are fun to do just on their own. You can take it in any direction that you want. Just shaping those paws, and while I'm doing it, I'm keeping in mind not just what I see in the photo, but also just what works for the drawing to keep it unified and the lines flowing together. And I'm just going to get some toe lines in there. And I don't worry about so much what I see in the drawing, especially here. I just get in some quick lines that give the suggestion of toes. And I prefer this kind of drawing. I used to be a total photorealist, and I've moved away from that, and it's so freeing. I aim for character and soul more than anything now. And there's lots of character and soul in cats. So I'm kind of happy now with how the paws look. I just want to play them up a little. Just darken up some of those spots to make things really stand out. And please join our Facebook group. It's a free group, and it's for those who are passionate about cat drawing. So it's called Cat Drawing Art Workshop on Facebook, and you will find the link for that in the description below. Plus some other handy links too. Other cat drawing resources. Now I'm just going to kind of fill in along the bottom here to help the paws really stand out. I'm just kind of roughing it in. A rough sketch idea. I like it. It's really good to pull out the parts that you struggle with and just do some practice with that, like paws. And you will find my paw drawing playlist on my channel, and I think the link should be up top too. Just making the lines a little stronger where they connect. It just right in there. It really helps to, you know, make things pop out. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It helps grow our community, and we'd love to have you here. And there's lots more videos coming up too, and I love to hear what you want to learn about when it comes to drawing cats. So drop me a comment or just tell me about your cat. Or just tell me what part of the world you live in, what the weather's like. I love to hear from you. I love connecting with cat artists from around the world. And as long as you're doing art, even just a little sketch the odd time, you're an artist. You deserve that title. Just deciding if it's finished here. And we can't really say this is actually ever finished because it's just basically a practice sketch of paws. I've completed the task of representing the paws on paper. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.